Should I enter now? Should I wait for 6 months? Or should I wait whenever the market is crashing? Or what should I do? Do you have all these questions when it comes to stock market investment? So you have money, you know something, and you want to practically test, but you have confusion like when should I do all these things, right? I'm going to share some 4 investment strategies which you can implement in stock market in this video. Hi, hello, this is Ganesan, your stock market profit coach, and this is my book, One Page Stock Market Plan. I'm sorry, one page stock market plan. This book will help you in investing in a stock market with a plan. And I'm just going to share a part of a book which is like the 4 investment strategies which I shared in this. All these are my lessons which I implemented. Some of that I implemented. Some of them read in some of the books, and some of them I read in online internet also. So I found it is good. So I'm just sharing whichever is valid and whichever is you can implement in your life. Okay, it varies with people, and some of the people had implemented this strategy, it worked for them. So I'm just going to share 4 investment strategies which you can implement in stock market and see your money growing. And it answers the question whether you can do short term investment or long term investment. Okay, the 4 important things are, the first and foremost is investing for long term. You're not worried, you know that stock market is long term. You are very much clear that if I wait in stock market in good stocks, it will work in the long term, and you are ready to implement. And you have money, you invested, you forget about it after investing, and this is one strategy which will do good. And only thing is you need to monitor regularly, because some of the funds has not performed in the last 5 years, 10 years. Some of the stocks got delisted. This can happen in stock market too. So what you're going to do? So in this case, if you're implementing this strategy, monitor regularly, once in 3 months, once in 6 months, so that your stocks is growing, your company is growing, which eventually means your stock price will also grow, your risk, your wealth will also keep growing over a period of time. This is the number one strategy. The number two strategy is all about stock SIP. Irrespective of market condition, you have some monthly 10,000 or 20,000 or 5,000 rupees you want to allocate for some stocks. There are some online portals like HDFC Demat account or ICICI, or even the latest Fires and all these Zerodha. Everybody are having a stock SIP concept, which means you will select the number of stocks. It can be 2, 3, or 4, and you will allocate the money also. So based on that, the stock you will keep purchasing the complete portfolio regularly every month. Okay, until you say stop it, it will keep buying. And again, this is also good for long term. It is almost similar to mutual fund SIP, where you will invest your money in a particular mutual fund for say 2 years, 5 years, or 10 years, or 20 years time period. So this is one of the best thing to do in your strategy. So this is number two. And alternate ways, there is something called small case by Zerodha. They invested in it. So I think they invested small case also. They give a complete bouquet of things like with a thematic, like a banking fund. Maybe all the 4 or 5 bank stocks will be there, maybe for 500 rupees or 1000 rupees or 2000 rupees. You can keep buying that again and again. So once you explore small case, you will be getting similar to stock SIP. And the third option is making profit consistently, irrespective of whether the stock is going up, irrespective of it is creating wealth or not. You will stick to your ideology of making 20% returns out of any stock, and you will exit. So you will be very much familiar with stock market. You will be much familiar with stocks. 20% to 50%, or you can define whatever you want. Once in 3 to 6 months, you can implement this strategy. Once in 2 months also, if you make 20% profit, you can exit. So if you are a short term investor, if you feel like I need passive income every 3 to 6 months or every 2 months, you can implement the strategy. So over a period of time, if you see once in a month, because say you are investing in first month, then investing in second month, third month, so regularly once in every month you will make some profit of 20% out of your portfolio. This is one strategy which you can implement. And the fourth and final is buying on dips. This is something interesting, I love it, and I am implementing in to some of my clients. So market declined in 1992, 2000, 2008, 2016, and 2020 in a much bigger manner. It was almost like 30-35% and 40% in excess. So this is like a complete fall from the peak, both these all these 5 occasions. So what you can do is, during these times you can invest in bulk, say in lakhs together you can invest, or if you have a crore, you can invest, because these are the times all the valuable stocks will be available at rock bottom price. You can go and invest. This is one strategy. Okay, and along with the buying on dips, maybe you can have one more section, like whenever the stock is falling by 20%, a particular stock is falling by 20% or 10%, you can add buy that stock, keep buying that stock. So the fourth strategy, again you will monitor, but the only difference is that you will keep adding for long term, maybe for 5 years, 10 years, 10 years down the lane, you'll keep adding. If there is a bonus shares given, the stock price will come down, and at that time if there is a correction, you will add. And because of any effect by the government, if the stock is market is falling, or even if the particular stock is falling, you'll keep adding. So all these four strategies, see whichever is suitable to you. Let me repeat. The first one is investing for long term. You, whenever you have money, you will put your money and forget about it. And stock SIP, again every month you will buy a particular set of stocks again and again and again. And the third option is making profit consistently, because irrespective, some people wants money to be money from stock market, so you can allocate some portion of your portfolio, if you ask me. But if you have a complete portfolio like that, yes, you can do it. It's your portfolio. It's based upon your what you're going to do with that money. And the last option is buying only on dips. Whenever the market is falling, you are saving a particular set of amount for this stock market investment. So whenever the market is falling, you will transfer that amount completely, lakhs and lakhs of amount, and you will see the profit within next 1 or 2 years itself, and you will leave it for long term. So that is how you can make money. These are four strategies. If you find if you feel any other strategy which you are using in your life, which is creating profit consistently, or which has done good, if you come across anything, or practically, or learn somewhere, kindly post it in the comment section. And if you love this, kindly share this video, like it, and share this video with your friends. Let them also follow some strategy in stock market, because I've seen people without strategy, they just go invest, and at times they book losses, at times they make profit. They don't know what they're doing in stock market. So thank you so much for watching. Please share this video with your friends, and also please click the subscriber button, so you will get interesting videos about stock market, and about how you can implement one page stock market plan in your life. Please check out the Amazon link. My book is available there. Thank you so much.